Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I'm making another super easy one-pot casserole. This is the chicken broccoli rice casserole. It is so good, it is so easy. Let's get into it. Going in with 500 grams of rice. This is another rice casserole. 500 grams of rice. It's just easy to do the conversion because it's 3 cups of rice. If you are a meal prepper planner like me, you would be making one of these casserole dishes on a Saturday or a Sunday in preparation for the week, because you maybe love to cook, maybe don't love to cook, but you don't want to cook every day of the week. So you do this on the weekend. I'm just gonna flatten out my rice here. And yeah, I'm done with the scale. So awesome. Going in with 750 grams of frozen broccoli. This is a recipe that is not for dairy intolerant people. I can tell you that right now. If that is your tease, you might want to skip this video, but don't skip the video. Watch the video, then switch it with some dairy-free creamer or something. Normally, I would use chicken broth in this recipe, but I was a bad home cook and I did not prepare that ahead of time. So I'm going to use chicken bouillon cubes in the casserole today. I'm using 2 of them and I'm gonna crumble them up with my fingers. I don't know if I said, but I'm using frozen broccoli. If I already said that, then ignore me. My 2 chicken bouillon cubes in. I'm going to do 1 cup of milk. This is whole milk that I'm using, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of boiling hot water. You gotta season your food, guys. So I'm not going in with salt today, only because chicken bouillon has quite a bit of salt in it, but going in with 2 tablespoons of everything. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. It may seem like a lot, but you have to remember that this is being covered in water. So a lot of that flavor is going to be lost anyway. 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. I probably should have waited to do my broccoli in there, now that I'm thinking about it. 1 tablespoon of rosemary, don't go crazy with that. 1 tablespoon of oregano. Optional, but I'm adding steak seasoning. And I'm adding Slap Your Mama. 2 tablespoons. Topping it off with black pepper. 2 teaspoons. All right, 1 cup of whole milk going in. 1 cup of boiling hot water going in. I might need 2 cups because of my dish. Now I'm looking at it. I need 2 cups. So 1 more cup of boiling water. And 1 more cup of whole milk. At this point, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Celsius. That would be 2 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. That would be 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, believe it or not, we're almost done with the preparation of this dish. Just laying out my chicken here.
Oh!
I almost made a big mistake. I forgot the main ingredient, cheese. If I'm keeping it really real, I usually use the cheese in the bag, but I'm microplaning this cheese today. I'm being fancy. And I am using 200 grams of cheese. So this is gonna take me a minute. Are you one of those people when you go to a restaurant and they grate the cheese on top of your Are you one of those people that they hate coming to your table? Or are you one of those people that just has a little bit? I changed my mind about grating it. Now I feel bad for every waiter that I have made grate cheese on top of my plate. I am using the food processor. Y'all know I love me a food processor. And that is why I usually use the bag. All right, here we go. I actually liked it. It's kind of looks like grated. Sometimes I use grated cheese. Sometimes I use like the thinly sliced Parmesan in the bag. Today, this is extra gourmet and rich. So, all right, just give this a little bit of a mix to get it started here. Ooh, that cheese and that broccoli. That is going to be something real good right there. This is so easy and such a winner, especially if you're using the bag. Now, I know there is, you know, some kind of war against bag cheese on the internet. However, if you are a real home cook, you probably do use bag cheese, and I use bag cheese. So, and don't throw these away. You can bake these or put them in the air fryer, and they make the most delicious snack. Okay, going in with my chicken now. Okay, in order to get my seasonings, because we're gonna use all of the same seasonings on our chicken that we use in the rice, just gonna take a little bit of olive oil spray and I'm gonna spray my chicken down. This one has some kind of special trigger. Depending on how you press the thing, it'll stream or spray. All right, going in with a teaspoon of everything this time. Teaspoon, onion powder, garlic powder, Creole, steak seasoning, slap your mama. I'm gonna leave off the oregano and the rosemary and the black pepper. We're ready to go in the oven now. I'll see you all for the taste test. First, I'm gonna pull the chicken off. Let's get us a piece of chicken. Oh,
it smells so good.
What he said. Get a little piece. That ain't a little piece. Whatever. I'm getting a big piece.
Very little one. It's like 3/4 of the plate.
Y'all, speaking of me trying to get a little piece, I can't stand when I see, especially a bigger person, and they act like they don't eat no food. Y'all, we know y'all eating. Y'all eating, and it's good. We want to see y'all enjoy y'all food, so eat y'all food, y'all. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Okay, that's all I'm gonna get for now. Just a taste test. I ain't having dinner. Alright, first I'm gonna go for this rice. Taste the cook on this rice. Fluffy, and I know y'all see that steam coming off. Rice is super duper fluffy and perfectly cooked. So much flavor in this rice, y'all. Super duper fluffy. I gotta tell my chicken. Now, if you thought I wasn't gonna eat this chicken leg with my hand, please. And the chicken is perfectly juicy. Fully cooked, but perfectly juicy. Can you see that dripping off? That chicken, super juicy.
Dangerous.
Y'all have to try this. Super duper easy, super duper quick. Throw it all in one pot and let it go. Perfect dinner. Must try. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Ciao. Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making another super easy
He will never say what he's going to make.
I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and